AMC. People are very passionate about, and I've gotten a lot of grief about AMC in recent days. A lot of people are very passionate about the stock. They think it's rigged. My first question would be why are you trading a stock that you think is rigged? If I thought a stock was absolutely rigged, I would not trade it. I would not go anywhere near it. I also, if I'm going into a stock, I'm going to use a stop loss so that in case it was rigged and I didn't know about it, I'm going to get stopped out early on rather than seeing my investment, in the case of AMC, go from $9 down to $2. So there's no reason to be holding on to these things. These are pipe dreams. A lot of people are trying to recreate what happened in 2021. They missed out on it. They want to be in it again, or they were in on it and they failed to take the profits because they got too high of expectations, as if it could have met those expectations any more than it did in 2021. So AMC is falling apart from an equity standpoint. Do I still go to AMC? Yeah, I like going to their theaters. I think it's a great place to go watch movies at. I even have that AMC pass where you can see as many movies as you want each month. That's great. But from a stock standpoint, that's really what I care about. What I'm looking at on the charts, it's not good. So looking at it here, AMC, what we got is some major resistance that has been a sell point for the stock all along. Back in about late to mid-August, July 24th, this was your sell signal right here. We got right up here. It got rejected. You saw a big gap down. No reason to stay in it at that point. And for good reason. I mean, it can't break through this resistance. Then it breaks through this next layer of resistance. And now we try to retest it. There was another failure. That should have been your red flag right there when it couldn't break through that in the early goings yesterday. Get out. Now you're looking at about a 50% decline almost from where it was at on Friday afternoon to where it's trading at right now at $2.55 per share. It goes back to the talk about DKS and some of these others. When you hold through and you don't manage the risk, you get to this point. How do you manage the risk? I don't know, because the risk should have been managed much earlier. That's why it's so important to plan out your trade. If the stock doesn't go your way, and you should always assume that the trade will not go your way. I go into every one of my trades expecting to lose. Why is that? Because I know I can lose, and that I can lose in glorious fashion if I'm not managing the risk. And on AMC, people are not managing the risk, and they're paying for it right now. And they're getting on to me. They call me on StockTwits that I'm a paid poster, that I'm short. I don't have a position in AMC. I'm not a paid poster. No one's ever paid me. I wish they would. That would be great. Man, imagine every time you send out a tweet, you get money for it. That would be wonderful. But no, I'm not a paid poster. But it's so obvious with AMC why you have to manage the risk. And now we're seeing it in just full blow up right now of why you got to manage the risks. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you'd like more swing trading tips and analysis of your favorite stocks. Thank you guys, and God bless.